This episode of Alt Lenders 101 deals with COVID-19 and how one of our private lenders has changed the process, added some new programs to help brokers adapt to the changing needs of their customers. So today I'm talking with Armando Diseri, National Sales Director for Alta West. Hi, Armando.
Hello, Kate. Thank you for having us.
Not at all. So tell me something about Alta West in terms of the steps that you've taken in terms of these crazy times to make sure that you keep your business running smoothly.
Yes, it is definitely uncertain times, and what Alta West has done, and even prior to the COVID-19, we've taken some measures to, we've implemented a new CRM system where we can ingest applications utilizing all the different platforms, including Velocity Newton. And we also spent quite a bit of money on enhancing our cybersecurity. And so leading up to COVID-19, it worked out really well. We executed our business continuity plan. Everybody has gone home to work. For employees that had only a desktop computer at the office, we've purchased a dozen new laptops. So we kept everybody employed and working from home.
That's perfect.
Yeah, and one of the other things that we did, we've implemented a 1888 number. It's 1-888-534-9075. Basically, this is for clients who are experiencing some income disruption and need some help. And so what we did is we have a couple people that are fielding these calls and working through with clients, either deferment or refinance, whatever the case may be, because every scenario is different.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So for people who don't know too much about Alta West and the business that you do, the niche that you lend in, can you tell us a little bit about where you lend and the sort of business that you do?
Absolutely. We're an alternative lender. We are currently lending in Ontario, BC, and Alberta, and basically major urban centers and suburban centers, where we do first and second mortgages up to 80% loan to value. We do look at small commercial store and apartment properties as well. That is our traditional meat and potatoes products.
So I know that recently you've introduced a couple of new programs or products that are really suited to the kind of market that we're in right now. So maybe tell us a little bit about those, because I'm sure that brokers are going to be interested in hearing about these.
Absolutely. We have two distinct product lines. One is called the Express product line, and the second one is the Flex. The Express product line is for our customers that have typically Beacon scores over 600 score, and we can go up to 75% loan to value, and we can offer rates as low as 5.69% on a 6-month term with a 1.5% fee. And this is for all your listeners. This week we're going to be announcing a new product, and this is for loan to value under 65% loan to value, and we're offering rates as low as 4.99% with a 1.75% lender fee. And then we have our traditional Flex product, and this is once again we have a first mortgage product that goes up to 80%, and this is for our typical business for self client. The client has bruised credit or new to Canada client. We have products that that can accommodate a lot of those situations. And then lastly, we have our second mortgage product. Once again, we will go up to 80% loan to value. Maximum dollar amount is $200,000. We will look at a higher dollar amount in certain pockets and certain scenarios. And that's something that that's been our go-to, our meat and potatoes for Alta West. And then lastly, we just introduced not too long ago was our jumbo product. We are now able to lend up to $2 million on a purchase up to 65%, because typically our mortgages, our first mortgages are maximum 800,000, and in the GTA, we will go up to $1 million. So we introduced this jumbo product, which we think is going to help a certain segment of the marketplace.
So tell me about the deals that you don't want to see.
Yeah, well, the deals that we don't want to see is land properties, agricultural, mobile homes, that type of thing. That's not our niche. Anything that's that's outside that urban suburban property.
I know that you have a couple of great examples of deals that you've done recently, so that brokers can really get an idea of the sort of fees, the sort of products that you offer. So maybe can you just walk me through a couple of examples that you have?
Absolutely. So the first one we have is it's an express product. This is a customer, a couple who are purchasing a home in Mississauga at 71% loan to value. It's a $580,000 mortgage, both business for self. They have a TDS of 69%. And it was an MLS purchase, and we were able to offer them a 1-year term at $599 with a 1.5% fee. And then the second example is our second mortgage product. We offered a $50,000 mortgage in Mission, BC. It was up to 80% loan to value. It was a consolidation of all their debts. And basically what this did for the client, it reduced their monthly outlay. Our rate was $10.95 with a 3% fee. And it consolidated all their high interest credit cards, and it just provided them additional cash flow. And so what we've introduced not too long ago, especially during this the COVID-19, is that we're now holding back up to 12 months worth of payments on these refinances. So what this does is gives the customer the peace of mind that they don't have to worry about their mortgage payment for the next 12 months.